Hey guys, I'd like to give you a quick demonstration of how easy it is to add Google Drive as one of your storage silos. If your administrator has allowed it, you will have the Add Cloud Provider in the top left hand corner of your screen. By selecting that, you will be presented with the option of adding a number of storage silos. There are two ways to add a storage silo. Either as a primary storage silo, which means you will be interacting with that silo on a daily basis and you will use it to store things firsthand. Or as a backup silo, which means I want to take one of my primary storage silos and back it up into the silo that I will now add. In this case, I will add Google Drive as one of my primary storage silos. In the next screen, we can give it an appropriate name. I will leave it with the default name and then request authorization. This screen we can simply authenticate with our Gmail or our Google credentials and then say yes, I would like to accept these permissions, this permission set, and if everything checks out, it'll be done. Teamspace will alert us to the fact that it is done, yes indeed, that your authentication was correct, and the files will now begin synchronizing. Keeping in mind, gentlemen and ladies, that this will not move any of the files from my Google Drive. It is merely indexing the metadata within Google Drive. It will then help Teamspace manage the information within my Google Drive. Once that's complete, I can close that and go to my file manager, and there I will see not only on my previous storage silos there, but I now have my Google Drive files there directly and live from my Google Drive account. What I can now do is through the Teamspace environment, I can convert any of those files or folders to a shared organizational folder, which, depending on the permissions, will allow members of my organization to work with me on that folder, even though it comes from my Google Drive files. If I'm working on a collaborative environment with people external and internal to my organization, I can use the group sharing function. The key thing here is, again, this is my private Google Drive files, and I'm able to share it with internal and external members of my project team, thus enhancing and easing the process of project collaboration. Well, I hope that was helpful. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to email me at stanley@teamspace.co.za. Thank you for watching.